In English, we use the verb to be to talk about who we are, how we feel, and where we are. There are three forms of to be in the present tense. Am, for I, is, for he, she, it, are, for you, we, they. Positive sentences. I am a student. She is happy. They are friends. Negative sentences. I am not tired. He is not angry. We are not late. Now, let's see to be in a short story. My name is Anna. I am a student. I am in a new school today. I am a little nervous, but I am also excited. This school is big. It is very clean and bright. The classrooms are quiet in the morning. My teacher is Mr. Brown. He is very kind. He is not angry. He is not strict. The students are friendly. They are nice to me. They are not loud. They are not rude. I look around the classroom. I am at my desk. I am not late. My best friend is Emma. She is in my class. She is happy to see me. She is not shy. We are ready for the lesson. We are students. We are not teachers. The lesson is easy today. It is about English. English is fun. It is not boring. At the end of the day, I smile. I am happy. I am not afraid anymore. This is my new school. And it is a good place.